Oh, hey there, YouTube land. Brimstone667 here. So, I'm out messing with the car, as you can see, and trying something on this camera here now, because of that front-facing little camera thing up there, and because I could never do it with the old one like that. So, I can actually see myself while I'm recording, so that's kind of cool. So, just a really quick video for you guys, because as you can probably see, I got it all torn apart a little bit because, yeah, I have some problems that just showed up the other day. And sometime, I'm not sure when, but I got a crack. Got a crack up in there, so I got to replace that. So, luckily, I was able to get one from Napa right there, like $60 or so. This is the 3.5. So, that is going to make it nice. And it actually looks like, let me switch it around here. It's actually fairly easy. I thought it'd be a lot harder because I had to take the air cleaner out right there. Luckily, one bolt, undo that guy. This guy here, which I got to find my channel locks because they have disappeared on me. As usual, kids and everything go through my tools and stuff. I'm sure a lot of you know how that is. So, one hose clamp here to do. And right down there, probably can't see it, but one other hose clamp to do. 2 bolts. Snip those right off. So, and then this just slides right into here. Get off me, bug. But, yeah, so that was pretty easy to take apart there. So, I'm just waiting on, the kids to bring some channel clamps back. Or channel clamps. My channel locks. So I can get that out of the way. And then, I'm going to shut you off here and then show you with that new one on there. So I'll be back. Alright, so we're back together again, and it was, except for a few little explicits, it was fairly easy, and a couple extra pairs of hands, but it's fairly easy. So I should have just started recording it, putting it back together, but I just didn't want to try putting all the tripod and stuff together that I have now, that I was given as a gift. And yeah, so it went together fairly well, really easy actually. Like I was saying, 2 bolts, 2 clamps, this slides off, 1 bolt there, slides off, take that off, take that out, it just slides right up. But yeah, we're holding fuel. We're holding fluids though, so yeah. So hopefully that's what fixed that little guy. So yeah. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.